Hey guys, Manish here. Again, I want to bring you this video today in regards to dual income properties. There's a lot of talk about these days about dual income properties. So what are they? How are they beneficial? What are the things you need to look for when you're buying, considering something like a dual income property? So when you buy an investment property, like I'm talking about residential property, so when you buy a residential property, normally you would have a house and put up on a land or something, or apartment or something like that, but you can only rent it to one person or one family, and they will pay you, let's say, maybe $420 a week per rent for that property. Okay, what happens in a dual income property is it's actually, you can have the ability as an investor. It's very good because especially if you're looking for a cash flow positive property, what it does is it actually puts money back into your pocket every month. The reason for that is you can actually rent out the property into two different parties, so there will be essentially one property but two different tenants. So that's why they're called dual key or dual occupancy properties. Okay. um so what happens is you might have a 3 bedroom house and also have a 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom house, or like a separate dwelling that is attached to that particular property, and then you rent out the 3 bedroom for, let's say, 380, and you can also rent out the 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom for 200 to 250 per week. So rather than getting around 400 per week or 420 per week rent, you might be able to get 600 to 650 as a rental from the property. So the pricing of those properties is probably not as expensive compared to a single dwelling. So for some investors, it does make sense to go for these kind of properties because they can have cash flow coming in every month, and they won't have to pay any money out of the pocket to maintain such kind of properties. So there's a lot of areas. The big thing also is the areas. Like in Victoria, they're not very famous, or they're not very eligible to be able to build properties like that. So a lot of the councils and the legislation here doesn't allow for those kind of properties. But in areas like Queensland, they allow these multi-dwelling or dual occupancy properties in that area. So a lot of investors would go in those kind of areas to be able to buy a dual income properties. So when you're searching, you need to be able to look into different areas where you can buy, and you might not be able to buy in a particular location that you live in personally. So with those kind of properties, you need to search a bit more and see how they go, how it works for you as an investment. So okay, now if you are in the market for buying a property or anything to do with the investment property, then I'm more than happy to help you out. That's what I'm here for. My phone number is 0433213993, 0433213993. So you're gonna give me a call, and I'm gonna help you out in the best possible way that I can. So that's a promise. Give me a call, and we'll talk about your strategy designed or tailored to you, so that way you know what's the best kind of property you can buy or invest in. So saying goodbye for the next time. I'll come up with another video and another topic, and then we'll go from there. Okay, all right, take care. Thank you.